Hello, guys. Hello, good morning. How are you? How was your morning? How was your PM session yesterday? I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. Gold to gold. Actually, today I highlighted a couple of trades. On CL, it's play out, but on gold, as you can see, failed by 3 points. So maybe I had to put my target at like bottom of this fair value gap. Like even this bottom wasn't touched, so it could be like perfect trade, but looks like nothing. Nothing good right here. Right here, watching this sell off. By the way, just saw this. Sell side liquidity still lower, still inside market maker sell model. Kind of like it. So this candle can be continuation. I mean, next candle, 10 a.m. candle. So retracement. Let's see if we take sell side liquidity. So if you're interested in this, it's Forex player, just futures. So almost play out. This hourly chart, nothing on low time frame. So disappointed with gold. Like it's second day when gold doesn't want to reach liquidity level. I mean, that's okay. Good for practicing, I guess. CL did amazing job this night. Even reached our TP from yesterday right here. I mean, flat candle that we discussed before. So forcing deviation smash right here. But about projections, by the way. Let's project move. Manipulation, like we reach forcing the deviation, so it also play out right here. So why put my TP right here? I don't remember. For some reason I put this, but I don't remember why. So nice right here. And Q. And ES dropped below London low. Did tested daily open, but on NQ it tested 5-minute untapped fair value gap, so it was a breakaway gap. Failed to retest daily open, and I kind of don't mind to see new high of the day. So this means I would like to see break above liquidity right here, so pre-market high. But at this point, I'm not really interested in new high on ES yet. So I need to practice, to trade gold more. So it's like second day. It wasn't bad, but could be better, definitely. So entry was based on 5-minute fair value gap. So I highlighted this right here because I chose before it happened. So it wasn't bad, but did not reach. I was looking for this equal lows right here if I want to consider bodies. Did not hit this. But maybe breaker block right here, What else? What else would I consider to exit this trade? OB? Probably, right? OB. Nothing here. Okay, probably 15-minute order block. 50% of 15-minute OB. Hello, guys. Hello. I mean, it's still valid. Just let's see how it goes. We need to wait more. TradeZella giveaway. Yeah, I will think about this. Thank you for idea. New idea for me. So I trade in Q only. I took the trade in Asia yesterday. It wasn't like huge trade, like 56 points. So it wasn't bad. Hello. Hello. For some reason, I feel like Asia moves like AM session in July, August. Maybe that's me. I don't know. But Asia is much more better than AM sessions recently for me to trade. Because after this move right here, I will not be surprised to see AM consolidation or it's absolutely tricky price action. Everything is possible. So from what I can see so far, hello. From what I can see so far in QND Premium, yes, little bit above equilibrium of this range right here. So let's see. I didn't mind to see new high of the day on NQ. I mean, I don't really need this right now on ES, but we will see. Maybe it wants to test daily open first, which is, I guess, okay. Just if you want to ask me what bias I have, I don't have it any. Preferably, I want to see attempt to push us higher during AM session, but I'm not going to guarantee this. We'll try to react. Previous day high doesn't look bad. Equal high doesn't look bad. I want to see higher, but once again, I'm not going to predict something. We'll try to react. We got 5-minute fair value gap. At least new high of the day. At least not talking about ES right now. Talking about NQ. What about for chart? On 4 chart, ES entered 4-hour bullish fair value gap. NQ pretty much balanced. So what I want to see is to wait for 10 a.m. and if it wants to create OB, bullish OB on 4-hour chart on NQ, I will be it will be confirmed bullish bias for me. Right now, it's kind of tricky, We're still inside Tuesday range. Today's Thursday. Yeah, Tuesday range. So it's still tricky. Daily open is right here. As you can see, yes, took this level. NQ failed. Let's see how we can hold this 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, previous day high level equal highs right here will be amazing to see, but I'm not going to guarantee it. This is what I want to see. If it wants to drop, okay, then it's okay. I didn't mind to see new high of the day. Yeah, since it's inside Tuesday range, that's why it's hard. That's why I don't want to guarantee something. Because I don't know as well. So market is open last 2 minutes. Still trying to respect fair value gap right here. What else? Best what we can do, I guess, wait for 10 a.m. But before this, at least we need to take some sort of liquidity level to at least understand where we can go, in my humble opinion. CL already play out, so I was looking for, I don't remember what level I had right here, honestly. For some reason I put target there. It was night, so I don't remember. I guess it was projection. Yeah, anyway, it was set up based on what I explained yesterday. Okay, my question while we are waiting on NQ to make a new high of the day. Usually, just a refresh in your mind, in my mind, usually when we have 4-hour liquidity sweep what time frame you want to use for changing the state of the delivery, who knows? Normally, like, preferably. Who knows? For our liquidity sweep, I'm talking about liquidity sweep only. Which time frame I would like to use to enter the trade? To look for entry. Yes, 15 minutes. What about 1 hour? If we got 1 hour liquidity sweep? 5 minutes, yeah, see? So right here, what can we see? Here is hourly candles, 4-hour candles, and daily candles. I'm right now on 15-minute chart. This means we are going to use 4-hour candles. What I can see right here? So I can see liquidity sweep, right? We got liquidity sweep right here. It formed change in the state of delivery. This candle right here, candle 2, right? So changing the state of delivery. So aggressive entry is going to be at candle 2, aggressive. Safe entry is going to be at candle 3. So basically waiting for a continuation candle 3. So at this point, we need to find what? Changing the state of delivery, sequence of candles, which was right here. So another entry with stop loss below the swing low was right here. The test, stop loss, and run to my final TP. But once again, I don't remember why my TP was right here. It was projection, but I guess it was from different time frame. So as you can see, we got 4-hour liquidity sweep. At this point, I'm going to switch on 15-minute chart and try to find change in the state of delivery. So sequence of down close candles at this point. Sweep, sequence, retest, immediate retest. So entry, stop loss. So at candle 2, usually we consider this as aggressive entry. Nothing wrong with this. I mean, like, nothing wrong with this. After this, if you want to look for safe entry, so we are going to wait for candle 3. So basically, candle 3 is going to be continuation if candle 2 confirmed sweep. So it confirmed sweep. It did not close below this low right here, below this candle. This means we are going to wait for another change in the state of delivery, sequence of down close candles, entry at retest, or for example, at the open of next candle, with stop loss below swing low, and target is going to be your PDRE. I'm not sure which PDRE you would like to use. It's up to you. Liquidity level, projection, fair value gaps, any levels. Does this make sense? Yes, no? Just to make sure we are on the same page. Yeah. Yes, we must wait for the closure. Yeah. Yes, exactly. We must wait. We cannot enter because we anticipate to get something. Without the closure, yeah, I mean, this only model that you can trade. You don't need any other models if you want to just trade liquidity sweeps and order blocks. What did you say? You just joined, right? They're waiting for NQ to make a new high of the day, so decided to talk about CL a little bit. It's still continuation even on 1-hour chart because we cannot say we got liquidity level right here, or sweep of liquidity level right here. Nothing yet. So on high time frame, it's still bullish, but invalidation can be, for example, potential liquidity sweep on high time frame. Nothing yet, right? Exactly same idea was with gold. Gold's still in play, so we will see how it goes. But I used a 1-hour liquidity sweep and 5-minute entry. So 5-minute entry was based on 5-minute fair value gap. So it's still valid, still in play. So let's see if we can hit my final TP. I don't know, we will see. And right here, still waiting for TP to be hit. So so far so good. Trying to analyze and trade in different markets. Let's see how it goes. But I don't know if you can hit. Let's set alert. So we don't need to check this all the time. Can we hit this? I hope so. And I'm going to set alert right here. Once again, exactly same idea was right here, but I use daily candle. So daily liquidity sweep means 1 hour change in the state of delivery. So just like it's fractal, so we don't need to care about time frame. It's going to be exactly the same. You tell me why short on gold. What I saw there. What time it was? I don't remember. I highlighted this like at 8 a.m. You tell me what happened right here. What I saw right here, who can tell me? Who can tell me what I saw right here? Why was reason of... Yeah, exactly. We swept this high right here. So right here. Right here. So I was waiting for sequence up close candles right here. So once again, candle 2 usually confirms aggressive entry. Not aggressive entry could be candle 3. Candle 3 was right here. So I was waiting for a detect of 5-minute fair value gap. So that's why I put this entry right here. Usually candle, by the way, usually candle 3 retrace to 5-minute fair value gap if I want to consider hourly liquidity sweep. And that's why I decided to look for short. It's still on its way down. I hope it's going to hit TP. Not yet, so we will see. Equal highs right here. So maybe want to test daily open first. But the reason why I decided to explore different markets was like in Q kind of hard to trade recently. But I hope gold makes sense to you. Yeah, it wasn't perfect, but still valid. The question if we may hit my final TP. Okay, it's up to you. So I decided to put my TP at these bodies right here. See this? It's pretty much equal bodies. So it's 28.92. It's like conservative. It's up to you what you want to aim for. I decided to put right here. I mean, let's see how it goes. Still on its way down. So daily open is about to be detested. Okay. Doesn't want to make a new high of the day, instead just equal highs right here. Move from premium on yes. So for what I can see so far, we got liquidity sweep. It's going to be confirmed at 10 a.m. So yeah, obviously don't really missed entry right here, but we got sequence of up close candles right here. And candle 3 can be continuation. At this point, there is a chance to retrace where to 5-minute fair value gap, if it may form fair value gap. And if it wants to be continuation, it's free indicator. Give me 1 second. If it wants to be continuation at 10 a.m., it must create fair value gap. Most likely it will create fair value gap. It may continue going lower. So it's not, I mean, I have a fractal model indicator from T-Trades, but that's free indicator right here. It just highlights from candles. See, it just highlights different candles. That's why I decided to use this. I was looking something like this. I hope it makes sense. You're welcome. So I started watching gold in CL at 8 a.m. For NQ after market open. For information, I'm not sure how gold reacts from swing points, honestly, but I'm not sure, so I'm not going to like argue with this with you about this. But looking for like conservative levels. It's right here. Actually, at market right at the 8:30, it retraced back to my entry. Then continue going lower. It's about to hit TP. I'm not sure if 11 points is a lot for gold, but it was more than 2R. 11 points is a lot? Just tell me. I'm not sure if it's like a lot. No, I don't trade kill zones. I only trade like liquidity sweeps. If not only trade on gold, I prefer to look for liquidity sweeps and order blocks entry, like classic model. Again, it was less than 1 point away from my TP. Again, that's why I'm looking for conservative levels. But it wasn't bad. Just need to figure out what size I need to trade, because not sure yet. For me, it doesn't really matter. So if it wants to be like market maker sell model, it will be market maker sell model. If it wants to be market maker buy model, it will be market maker buy model. So maybe it will sound stupid, but like if you understand power of 3, open, high, low, close, you don't need to like look for macro time, kill zones, or something like this, in my opinion. If you see like we got liquidity sweeps, we got change in the state of delivery, so I don't need to wait for macro or kill zone or something like this to enter the trade. Just enter the trade. If you're right, it will hit your TP. If you're wrong, it will hit your stop loss. That's pretty much it. Why don't you... I don't know like what to answer on this. On Tuesday, so you should get email soon from my funded futures, I believe. Soon, so don't worry. The test of New York midnight open on NQ, but still above New York midnight open on ES. No, I don't trade. I did not trade NQ today, but I traded NQ during Asia, like yesterday. Not yet. I did not anticipate, like this move down before. I anticipate to get a new high of the day first. It was unexpected drop for me. Not trades yet on Steam. Nothing yet. Nice reaction from New York midnight open so far. Still going to wait for 10 a.m. because if it wants to be confirmed hourly sweep right here, hourly candle is going to be continuation. Gold reach my TP. Woohoo, perfect. Yeah, I have sell side liquidity right here. It's 28.87 right here. I mean, it can take this level, but I'm not sure yet. Almost 12 points, just not sure if it's a lot or not. Yeah, it's like forex player trade. It's hourly setup. Looking for sell side liquidity to complete market maker sell model. Still has room to go lower. Let's see how it goes. If it can continue going lower to TP. But kind of enjoy analyzing different markets because it's interesting experience for me. And for some reason, like I analyze gold better than NQ. Yeah. I just sent the link so I can duplicate again. It's free indicator right here. You just need to change settings. I changed colors and removed volume imbalances, but left fair value gaps. Yeah, it's free. No trades on NQ yet. Will like, oh my god, look at this drop. Like, how many points it drop? Oops. 24 points. I mean, crazy. And long on CL right here. Yeah, that was amazing on gold. And yesterday, I remember you wanted to short, so you got amazing bias. I guess ES wants to take New York midnight open since ES took this NQ took this level, but not going to like gold and CL much better recently than NQ and ES. Maybe for me. So ICT Concept works everywhere, so nothing wrong with trading gold, for example, or CL. I guess so. Since gold offers it up before market open most of the time, maybe I will try to, if I'm going to trade gold again, I will try to start steaming early to execute together. So because most of the time gold offers it up 8:30, 9 a.m. So normally I don't trade in queue before market open. Short, we are going to find out in 11 minutes. Going to wait for hourly candle, new hourly candle. So it created not yet. It's about to create 5-minute fair value gap. And 6 points away from New York midnight open on ES. Let's try on gold. I mean, it's ready to play out. My trade right here. Now the question, what will happen next? Because easily to see continuation lower again, but once again, we need to have a new hourly candle to confirm continuation. Yeah, I noticed gold CL moves before 9 most of the time. Yeah, I got only 11 points. I'm not sure if it's a lot or not. Comparing, it's more than, if I want to compare this with NQ, it's more than 50 points. If comparing this to instruments, that's interesting. Because it was fast. Oh, yeah, of course. So ES is about, let me move a little bit. ES is about to hit New York midnight open, 3 points away. As you can see, basically I unchecked everything right here. Just left this, changed the colors, and removed volume imbalances because I don't need this. What about SPX? SPX is about to fill the gap, but left low resistance right here, which is interesting. Oh, you might screenshot. Okay. Okay, yes, took New York midnight open as well. Still going to wait for 10 a.m. As I said before, that's why I decided to discuss different instruments, because no reason for me to trade before 10 a.m. Especially it was expansion after liquidity sweep, makes sense to wait. NQ is inside hourly fair value gap. Really needs to see strong break below New York midnight open and 15-minute fair value gap to see free fall to Asia low. But we are going to find out in 8 minutes. Same for CL. Needs to wait for new candle. Hourly and 4-hour candle. Otherwise, no reason to even look at this. Yeah, we will see. I mean, no reason to predict something. Just need to wait for 10 a.m. Normally, yes, we can. Target NVIDIA low, yeah. That's interesting. They decided to leave this high right here. Okay. Okay. Okay, Asia low taken, free fall below 15-minute fair value gap. Inversion fair value gap. You're waiting for the test of 15-minute fair value gap after 10 a.m. Okay, we will see. Huge drop, like huge drop. Not going to lie, did not expect this. Like 300 points, no way. I expect to get like new high of the day, then possible attempt, but without this, that's crazy. Totally possible to see they want to aim for the sell side liquidity, which is just happy I decided to explore different markets. Six minutes left. Because I guess if it wants to be continuation, we are going to find it at 10 a.m. Needs to retrace higher then. But once again, not going to lie, just did not expect to get this. Like 100 points away from the sell side liquidity level. ES stock, Asia low. Next targets on ES. As you can see, I don't have targets right here. Previous day low level and sell side liquidity right here. Crazy. Okay, thank you. If you have any questions on gold, I guess best what you can do is just send me direct message. So we'll talk about this. Yes, on Twitter, yeah. I believe yesterday NVIDIA should deliver us to the sell side liquidity, but instead they decided to play games. That's why I was thinking like it wants to take equal highs and then drop. But instead they decided to drop without taking liquidity levels right here. Which is fine. I mean, nothing wrong with this. But truly believe like NVIDIA should deliver us right here yesterday to 943. Everyone expected. But instead they just did nothing. Manipulated up to drop. Which is, I guess, okay. Oh, you shorted 1% at fair value gap. That's amazing. Ten minutes left. Broke below New York midnight open. That was extremely strong break below this level. Up down. It's going right here. Next liquidity level is going to be 678. And if it wants to be continuation lower based on hourly candle, we should chase the 5-minute fair value gap. Anyway, happy at least I traded Asia. I didn't miss anything, so I trade what I trade my model. So if I cannot find something like during AM session, it doesn't be like I don't have trades. I traded yesterday, Asia, 8 p.m., 9 p.m. I traded lunch yesterday. I traded AM session yesterday. It's just, I don't want to say like I miss something. Just if I cannot see high quality setup, it's better for me to not take trades. Best for me. You can automate your strategy, for example, just trading these sweeps. We have news at 10, right? It's possible. Yeah, it was kind of not going to say, it's like not a little difficult. It was hard for me to trade in Q. It trades back to hourly fair value gap. I mean, that's fine. The reason why I decided to explore different markets was in Q. It's 10 a.m. Amazing. Trade couple of models, but mostly inversion fair value gaps and order blocks. That's it. I don't trade fair value gaps. Maybe that's not good because sometimes fair value gaps offer perfect entries, but I don't trade fair value gaps. So we got lots of 5-minute fair value gaps, unfortunately, because I expect to get retracement to this fair value gap with a continuation lower. My TP was 943. I mean, like, but I expect to get like drop from equal highs to 943. But instead, first deviation taken on yes, failed to be taken on in Q. What about SPX? Let's check high time frame. We have liquidity level lower. Mm-hmm. Nothing confirmed yet. Maybe something like this. If it wants to hold this OB. Both AS and NQ touch daily distribution level. You got OB right here. 5 minute fair value gap. So far, like, kind of huge volatility, or just me. It's 5 minute fair value gap. 5 minute fair value gap. Yeah, Twins model works nice on CL. Nice reaction from sell side liquidity right here. Yes, was kind of fast. If may break above this OB right here, should go higher. Even like more higher. Failed to close above this fair value gap. Still trying to respect this OB on NQ. Doesn't really look bad, but I need to have same on NQ. You know, like when it's in sync, that's nice. When it's not in sync, that's not nice. Okay, let me connect accounts. It's huge volatility. See this range right here? It's 100 points. That's crazy. Definitely going to reduce amount of, yeah, that's crazy. 100 points from this bottom to this high right here. That's crazy. No, I've just decided to see how big potential stop loss can be. Because even from previous day low level, it'll be like 70 points away. Which is crazy. Just want to see the trace to 5 minute fair value gap. The trace to 2 minute fair value gap right here. By the way, it tested to 5 minute fair value gap. By the way, on both ES and NQ. Let me remove this. The trace on both ES and NQ to 5 minute fair value gap. Zero structure to short. Well, I can see trying to respect 50. Yeah, even less than 50% of this OB. Yeah. Net inversion. Yeah, small 1 minute inversion right here. As reaction from 5 minute fair value gap. That's pretty much it. So happy I traded Asia. So happy I traded Asia. First standard deviation is 100 points lower. Even this range like 40 points. A bit not in sync with the yes, so. But both tested 5-minute fair value gaps. I did not stream Asia. Still inside 2-minute fair value gap and 5-minute fair value gap. Okay. What about on MNQ? On MNQ, same situation. I would like to see the test a 5-minute fair value gap. It's like 70 points away. But it's not smart, I guess, to trade this because stop loss is like almost the same amount of points. So the test 50% of 1-minute OB. I'd like to see higher to this 5-minute fair value gap. 2-minute needs to close to confirm change or inversion fair value gap. Because confirmed, this was confirmed on a yes. As you can see, never confirmed on NQ yet. Instead, it just probably will trace the 5-minute fair value gap without me. But anyway, it was like 100 points stop loss. As I said before, it's not really smart. 2 micros. Like, I cannot trade Nano contract. It's about to offer sweep right here. Yeah, we have 2-minute inversion. I see. 15-minute structure. Let me see. Nothing there. The problem is that for this 2-minute model, all I would like to see is something like this. Right now, at least. I'm not sad. I'm fine. It's just like, don't pay attention on this. Two-minute model is right here. The problem, only what the problem was like 100 points. It was like 1 hour trade. I felt like it's not maybe smart. Overall wasn't bad, just Just feel like it's too volatile for me, probably. Nice reaction from forced standard deviation on ES. Anyway, I mean, like, nothing wrong with this. You got reclaimed very well. You gap right here. So far, the action from trying to respect 5-minute fair value gap. Oh, I mean, let me pin this back. Yes. After this drop, it's better to wait for 5-minute OB. Exactly. Yes. Hello. Yeah. Did not expect like huge drop because it was like almost 500 points, guys. It's just crazy. So far, trying to respect the range between 2 and 2.5, we reached forced standard deviation right here. It offered 5-minute inversion for a value gap only, yes. Yeah, it's 500 points, guys. That's crazy. But even in hindsight, I would not enter the trade. Equal loss on NQ weekly. This week, which equal loss you looking for? Which is 306 or 664? Which one? 670. I have it. Okay. So still inside 5-minute fair value gap. We inverted this fair value gap right here. Nothing here yet. I'm not like bullish right now, honestly. At least yet. I'm going to highlight. Would like to see any signs of 5-minute smart money reversal. All I expect to get retraced into 5-minute fair value. Where is my mouse? 5-minute fair value gap. That's it. We don't know yet. We don't have the closure yet. That's why. And I would say the problem right here is to find good change in the state of delivery. Exactly same picture right here. Too many down close candles. $50-minute sweep. Well, change in the state of, I can see on 1 minute change in the state of delivery so far. Nothing on 2-minute chart or 5-minute chart. Hello. 2-minute model already play out. We got inversion. Right now we got BPR. I like how it kind of stuck at this 5-minute fair value gap. Really, if it wants to like continue going lower for some reason, it must respect this 5-minute fair value gap. It will retrace. The question if it will retrace with formation of 1-minute smart money reversal for continue going lower. I took trade in Asia. Nothing on NQ today. Trades on gold, trades on CL, and that's it. Right here, just trying to forward as is. Not sure how to trade this. Even not sure about the contract size, but looking for continuation lower. Still looking. Trying to respect this rejection block, 5-minute inversion. Can you ask? Yes, you can. Left BPR right here. Kind of, I don't know, like feel kind of strange to trade something right now. But as I said, I'm totally fine if it's going to be just price action like this. I'm not going to take any trades. Maybe lunch, maybe PM. But AM is so volatile for me right now. No, not London. Asia is more than in AM session. Asia is nice. Like Asia is nice last couple of months. Just flying without me. Crazy. It's 200 points. Just crazy. Asian gold even better. NQ also nice, so no reason to trade gold. For some reason, I scared to trade AM session, but I'm totally fine with Asia. That's crazy. Let's see. Okay, guys. It's already broke about 50% of 5-minute fair value gap. Let's see, maybe OT retracement. So many levels. Small fair value gap right here, but preferably trace to 50%. You got... Oh, it's nothing right here. Okay. Yeah, we trace back to New York with night open. We already broke above this level on ES. Actually, I was looking for the first fair value gap because it's barrier, right? Resistance. Reason of this. Like in the middle of this move down. Can be measuring gap, you know. One hundred points away from OT. You know, like just looking at this chart on 1 minute chart, I would never say like it's 100 points away from 62. Maybe like 30 points, you know, but not like 100 points, which is crazy. On hourly, it retraced back to 1 hour inversion fair value gap. On 4 hour chart, looks like it tested for our OB, British OB. Just we'll try to keep this clean. Hello, Michael. Doing great. So I traded Asia on personal account. Did not expect to get this drop. I wanted to see maybe equal highs or at least new high of the day, and then drop. Just unexpected drop for me. Did not take it. A bit disappointed with this. Not going to lie. But okay, it's okay. Finally took this sell side liquidity right here. Maybe I missed something. So for some reason, I expect to get new high of the day. Right now we have, equal highs. It is what it is. So not going to complain about this. Still inside 5-minute fair value gap after the retracement. Also, it was about to touch. No sound. People can hear me. Guys, can you hear me? Okay. Okay. I guess something went wrong. You cannot hear me, guys? That's... It is okay on my side. That's strange. Yeah, that's strange. Okay, guys, let's focus. I don't know. Okay, guys, let's focus. I don't know why. Okay, guys. Okay, I got it. Just maybe something wrong. Let's focus a little bit, okay? We are here to trade. Okay. Okay. It's okay, guys. Let's be more patient right now. So it created a change in the state of delivery right here, SMT. Trying to respect fair value gap. On 5-minute chart, we're still inside 5-minute fair value gap. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, guys, be nice. And focus. Yeah, cannot close. Why so? It's so big range right now. I don't know, like huge range. I feel like I don't want to try to trade retracement, but this range is huge. Do we have option to trade nano contracts? Just asking. Just nano contracts. I can enter the position. I mean, it's just funny. I'm not going to trade them. Never ever. So no. Yeah, I'm not fan of this. $30, 1-minute candle. The test of BPR. I just nothing wrong with this. Just looking at this with fresh mind. Just crazy risk right here. I mean, I could trade with one micro. This means I cannot like have partials. No. 1 second chart is better. Okay. It's okay. No executions yet. Was thinking about short right here, but once again, just kind of feel not worth it. When I feel not worth it, best what I can do, just stay away. One second chart is better, yeah. Oh, that's fast. Fast enough. Maybe I will be disappointed with this, but once again, trying to look at this with like smart. By the way, the test of already claimed fair value gap on 15-minute chart. It's always kind of hard for me to trade when they have huge range. Crazy. When not confident, best what you can do not trade. Nothing wrong with this. Nothing wrong with missing trade when you're not confident in. Right? Especially with this huge range. I'm married for almost 9 years. Went even higher, so we have buy side liquidity on CL. Yeah, I steam like daily. Yeah. Usually I have winning trade on Friday for some reason based on statistic, but most of the time I have losing trade on Tuesday, like most based on statistic, right? And that's funny because this Tuesday I took a loss. It's like I cannot even explain this. That's extremely funny. Stat map levels. What do you want to see? For example, we already reach. I just don't want to have lots of levels right now on my chart. We already got 2-minute model. It's already play out. We're trying to respect daily distribution level. How to learn to control your psychology. Everyone has different buffs, so I don't know like what to recommend. I'm not like I cannot be bearish right now. It's maybe that's just me. It's just extremely volatile right now to short. And it's extremely like risky right now to short because look at the sweep and reaction from BPR. I can be wrong. Just once again, when I feel not confident, I'm not on trade. I mean, if you feel confident with your setup, take it, but it's not for me, I guess. Just try and look at this market like logically. I don't want to risk like 150 points for no reason, especially in trade that I'm not confident in. Like, just thank you, God, I traded Asia. Because Asia was textbook. Where I entered, it was. I entered right here, like right here. Amazing. Closed right here, 91. I got entire move up right here, which like it's amazing. Yeah, I mean the problem, I have kids, you know. Most of the time I cannot like sit in front of my computer. Most of the time I enter the trade and just go away because I cannot sit and watch my trade, unfortunately. Yeah, of course. Let me see. No, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show right here. Can you please remind me in 5 minutes? I just would like to be a little bit more focused right now. Don't want to miss something, but if you can remind me in 5 minutes, I will explain why I entered long. Okay? Just remind me in 5 minutes. So the test of this fair value gap again, OB right here. Yeah, just remind me in 5 minutes, okay? Just trying to see what is good on high time frame, because we have hourly inversion fair value gap, bearish inversion. We have breaker block, not perfect one. We have a bearish OB on forward chart. On 5-minute chart, we're trying to stay inside 5-minute bearish fair value gap and trying to respect 50% of 5-minute fair value gap. But also we're trying to respect 5-minute BPR, which is amazing. So we got 5-minute BPR. We got 1-minute change in the state of derivative right here. I cannot short this for some reason. I don't feel like I want to short it right now, at least. Would like to see more invalidation of bullish bias. For example, displacement right now from this OB might be invalidation for me, but I'm not like bullish bias, but retracement a bit higher. You know, the New York Midnight Open never taken right here. It was so close, but 5 points away. Guys, if you see short setup, take it. I'm not going to like stop you from taking trades. No trades on NQ today. You shorting? Okay. I will be ready to say like it's going to be short, valid short, if you may displace right now from this 1-minute OB. Displacement. I will agree with you with your short. Right now, I'm not ready to short because I cannot see displacement right now. We got retest. Look at this week right here and no reaction at all. No displacement at all right now. It's not what I want to see if it wants to be sell. At least yet. Maybe this candle may offer something. It's just tricky. Since no displacement, this means this order block doesn't want to be strong order block. And this is what trying to confuse me, I guess. If Tanya short, this means she can see A+ setup, so I hope it is going to go in her favor. I hope. Just trying to explain why I don't want to short, because I cannot see displacement right now. It doesn't want to confirm idea for short for me personally. But I hope she's going to win. Not sure about her stop loss, but I didn't mind to see New York midnight open retest first. Yes, once again, yeah. Once I'm going to finish analyzing gold, like collect more information, I'm going to execute with you guys. I mean, just need to start early stream, because setups most of the time happens like 9:30 or 8:30, 9 a.m., something like this. So setup occurred today 8:20. So I decided to analyze gold today around like 7:30, 8 a.m. I don't remember for sure. But let's see if my displays. Let's see. Right now it's trying to consolidate, but still trying to respect this OB right here. Just week up, did not close above min threshold of this OB yet. Any trades taken on NQ, nothing taken today. I took the trade during Asia yesterday. It was long. From here. From here, and I closed right here. Got this leg up, which is nice. So let's see. See, again, no displacement, which is... Okay, we will see once again. As long as I cannot see displacement, it's not what I want to see for drop. You know, I'm not even disappointed today with no trades, because it was first confusion, second confusion, third confusion. Also, I really like New York Midnight Open. Failure to take this level, but see how we broke above New York Midnight Open on ES, which makes me like forced to feel I would like to see New York Midnight Open taken. It's not... I guess I'm doing something wrong, guys, because December was okay. November was okay. October wasn't okay at all. September wasn't bad. August was amazing. But January and February, for some reason, extremely hard for me. Especially AM session. So most my trades, best trades in January was taken like overnight trades, you know? Like... Yeah, I don't want to like chase something. It did not reach my TP right here yet. It's crazy. Yeah, see? We have buy side liquidity right here. Maybe it wants to aim for this level. If not for this level, but at least equal highs bodies right here. So yesterday I traded, did not trade PM. I executed exactly the same short that we took during AM session, but it was 12. It was lunch. Yeah, not yet. I'm going to explain. Remind me again in 5 minutes, okay? Ideally, I don't want to see New York Midnight Open taken, since it failed right here, which is kind of tricky, right? No displacement lower yet. Oh, this fair value gap highlights like untapped fair value gap. Fair value gap that never was touched. breakaway gap, measuring gaps, blah, blah, blah. So in January, in February, I did use my contract size because I traded like 10, 15 micros. Right now, I trade like between 3 and 5 micros because I need to adapt to market conditions. And with this volatility and kind of tricky bias, best what I can do, just reduce size. I don't know, like, it makes sense to deliver to sell side liquidity level. It's absolutely amazing second stage of redistribution right here. I know, like, nothing holds market to drop right now. To complete market maker sell model, even lower, we have see this huge wick right here. I can even highlight 50% of this wick. High psychological level, you know? Maybe even lower. Just makes sense, in my opinion, to continue going lower. So side liquidity right here, as I said before, like, makes sense. Gold consolidation. But overall, it was ugly delivery, but overall nice. CL, just continuation higher, so I cannot see confirmation of continuation right here. Yeah, I cannot say we got textbook setup right here, but remember what I shared last week on Twitter? So we got just a 50% of this huge week. But it's not like setup yet. You know, SPX trying to consolidate right now, and Q just dead right here, dead consolidation. Trying to hold SMT, no displacement yet from this OB once again. I will accept this short, but once again, need to displace first. The trail stop above what do you mean by this? Oh, right here? Yeah, of course you can. Anyway, it's just no reason to look at this price action. Consolidation, like nothing interesting. Where was the trade? Okay, I'm going to explain why I took long yesterday. First and last reason. I'm going to open MNQ, okay? I guess I hope it's going to be similar. Just not going to have drawings right here. I need to. Okay, I'm going to show you. Don't pay attention to this candle right now, okay? Previous candle range, yeah. Was it? Yeah, here we go. 2-minute it was 2-minute model. So right here, I highlighted from the top. I highlighted this week. So basically, usually you want to find 50%, right? 50% of this week. So I decided to, yeah, like this. Highlight OT of this week. OT, once again. What I saw, where is this? Oh, right here. I saw price swap this low right here, right? So we entered OT of this daily week, 50, 62, 70.5% of this week, and created inversion right here. So I was looking for the target at 50% of this week right here, or OT as well. So that was my final TP. It was 2-minute model. Yes, I had to consider stat map levels, but instead I just was looking for this trade right here. This is what I took. 2-minute model, 2-minute inversion, liquidity sweep, OT of daily week, and I was aiming for 50% of this big week. Why? Because it was big week right here. 50%, close the trade. Reason of my long trade on NQ yesterday. Yes, significant, especially if it like high time frame candle and high time frame candle, and it was big wick, relatively small body. NQ. Let's see what happened. Oh, displaced, yeah. Yeah, high time frame, like I recommend to use hourly, 4-hour, and daily candles. Just highlight. Usually we want to highlight 50%, but sometimes it's going to be a bit below or above 50%. Just highlight OT, like 62%, 70.5%, you know. One more sweep of the sell side liquidity right here. We trace back to BPR again. I like how it's trying to respect 50% of 5-minute fair value gap. What time? It's already 11, unfortunately. Okay. See how we're trying to respect this level? I like this displacement, so they left for standard deviation. What about ES? ES, nothing. SMT right here. Pretty big change in the state of delivery right here. It's 15-minute. Was able to hold this OB. Yeah, it looks more bearish right now. 2 minutes left, so to close 5-minute candle. Still, it's you know like moving from 5-minute bearish fair value gap to 5-minute BPR. But they did trace from the range between 2 and 2.5 to the range between 1 and 1.5. Unfortunately, failed to take New York midnight open. Unfortunately, because it's like it could make more sense to drop, but yeah, see why I decided to switch to trading different instruments? Because it's annoying to try to predict sometimes moves on NQ, not sometimes, like most of the time. It's hard. It's even like impossible for me recently. It's much easier to predict this on gold right here or CL. This is why I spent like my weekend on this, backtesting this, trying to forward this week. I feel like more confident for some reason. Maybe this is just me. How many points are we away from? 190 from forced standard deviation. Yeah, I'm so happy I got winning trade during Asia, because today I would like, most likely I will try to trade something, but since I already got the trade, like feel more better. I shared the picture on my Twitter how to trade 2-minute model a couple of weeks ago. I can repost this again. Yeah, Asia even looks like more like IM session from last year. So far, sitting with your trades, not like, not even disappointed with this. Not even like disappointed with this. It's better to have this balance. You chase to OT, right? Mm-hmm. Anyway, I feel like I did well today when decided to stay away. Especially when you're not confident, best what we can do is to stay away. Really, like, happy with my performance. If we closed, you mean 5-minute BPR? But if you close this 5-minute inversion fair value, this is a good time. It can be, where is 5-minute fair value gap? We don't have it right yet. We have 5-minute bearish fair value gap, and we have BPR. So price kind of stuck between these two levels. But once again, it's already displaced below 1-minute OB, which is nice. It's already displaced below 50% of 5-minute bearish fair value gap. It's also nice. So overall, yeah, it looks more bearish than bullish right now. Like, when decide to stay away from trading this market. Did not mind to short, but decide to stay away and happy with this. Look how perfect reversal was from forced standard deviation right here. It failed to take this level right here. Instead reversed from 2 and 2.5. So the range between 1 and 1.5. Usually we anticipate to get continuation lower to forced standard deviation. But another question, what do we need to see on ES at this point? We got... Yeah, that's the question. Good question. In my opinion, ES did its job already. Yeah, we have sell side liquidity lower. But here's a consolidation low, and this consolidation low lines up with this low right here. So 2 main levels already taken. So best perform. It's up to you. You need to try. You need to see how it will work for you. For some people might find that futures, they hate it. For me, it works well. Top step, for some people, they hate it. For me, it works well. Some people hate epics. For me, it works well. So you need to try, test what will work for you. Fortunately, prop firms cheap right now. Lots of sales. So you have a chance to try. Yeah, I mentioned. Did you check spam? Because maybe it's in your spam folder, which is like also possible. Yeah, perfect. I have a question since you're here. Perfect. Can you please tell us, because maybe I'm missing something, why NQ decided to reverse here without taking this high right here? It created equal highs, which makes me feel more confused right now, because I was looking for short a little bit higher between previous day high and equal highs to short, but instead it just dropped. And it was so tricky for me, I wasn't able to engage. And they took main sell side liquidity. I was disappointed with this. I guess I'm missing something, which is also possible. Just need to understand what I missed. I remember I saw you shorted from old first presented fair value gap. It was amazing, absolutely amazing short. But oh, perfect. Okay, I'm going to watch this. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. You know, it's sometimes in my mind, maybe it's too much, but sometimes in my mind, I feel like if it wants to drop, we must take buy side liquidity, like obvious buy side liquidity. If it wants to go higher, it must take obvious sell side liquidity. And when I was looking at this move down, I was like, where was obvious buy side liquidity? I cannot find it, you know. But definitely I missed something, which is like also possible. Which is also possible. So nothing wrong with price. I guess something wrong with us. We just cannot understand high time frame. But once again, when high time frame is, especially like monthly chart, weekly chart, is consolidation, it's always hard for me to frame the trade. But it's okay. I mean, nothing wrong with this. Just need to journal, analyze mistakes, and I will be good. But at least we took this major sell side liquidity. At least something happened, you know. At least we finally left Tuesday range. At least something good happened. Oh, guys, look at this. Our TP field. Amazing. Amazing. So looking for 50% of this week right here as final TP, but right here, amazing. Yeah, I saw he used old first presented fair value gap. I was just trying to find another reason, you know. But it's okay once again. Yeah, sometimes it's like, it's so hard to even trust this. But anyway, guys, I'm happy I decided to stay away. If I see like I cannot find setup, why I need to force something? like how they're trying to hold this 5-minute order block. It's like more propulsion block. I like how they're trying to hold inversion right here. SMT on 15-minute chart. Overall, yeah, like don't mind to see lower. Anyway, took the trade on personal account in Asia for 56 points. Took short with you guys yesterday in AM session. Then took exactly the same short in lunch. And yesterday was amazing for me. Today, better to have 0 trades than took a loss. Especially when I can avoid taking unnecessary losses and stupid trades. I'll do this. Just next week, I'm going to try to trade different markets again. Once again, this one. Where's my final TP? It was my first TP since yesterday, and here's my final TP. It's crazy. It was amazing. Like 2-hour trade. There are no stupid trades for me. I know myself. I literally do sometimes do this. I know myself. Just happy we have option to lock accounts. You know? Yes, exactly so. But you know, I don't have, and I hope I don't have this. I never recover my losses. Like if I took a loss, perfect, amazing. We'll try again tomorrow. Happy I have this. Like I have this. Lunch short. I mean, you can try to find by yourself. Because it was exactly the same reasons that I discussed before yesterday. I mean, we took short, remember, yesterday together, and the reason was exactly the same with exactly the same targets. I guess just our entry was maybe a bit early, but I would say in real time it did not look like early, but in reality it was early. Have a nice day, Michael. Thank you for joining. But in reality it wasn't like early. So I guess, you know, it's just like consolidation so far, just nothing to catch right here. Your children. Exactly the same reason for my short. But first trade we got, and I hope it was like immediately in my favor yesterday. Like 37 points, not a lot, but still amazing. And then I got 99 points. I don't remember for sure, but exactly the same trade. Okay, guys, let's vote. And we are going to be done. NQ short term target. New York Midnight Open, or it is a scam, or new low of the day. Let's try to vote. See why I'm not in this trade? When I'm not confident, no trade. Guys, let's try to vote. Why? Just for fun. Because right now, nothing worse to any risk. To risk any trade. So I got alert. Alarm. My alarm trying to tell me, Dasha, it's time to go. It's time to go. With your magnets? I mean, I already said scam. We don't need magnets. And my crystal ball, like behind me, just like screaming, we need to see New York Midnight Open. It failed to be taken before. And it was just one main reason why I wasn't in the short. Yeah, once it's going to be TradeZella giveaway, I will announce this. Yeah. Because I could be in this short if NQ could take New York Midnight Open, but instead, it was not perfect. Yeah, don't worry. Nice reaction from OT. Just not worth it. So maybe you don't want to trust me. No trades taken without you. No trades, a zero balance for today. And honestly, happy with this. It could be way worse. It could be way worse, I guess. Yeah, maybe I don't take a lot of trades, but in reality, I really think like I took win during Asia, gold today, did not trade in Q at all, like no executions. Only gold, but right here before we test this trade as well together. What I wanted to say. I forgot. Guys, where did I stop? I wanted to say something. I don't remember. Now it's annoying. What I want to say. Okay, annoying. I don't remember. So we're trying to respect OTM. We did trace to this inversion right here. Honestly, hard to find best order block right here, but only what I can see is right here and was trying to hold. Stop making excuses. Oh my god. Show me your trade not on demo. Then I will start listening to you. Otherwise, just no need to comment. I know lots of traders who trying to teach me where I need to execute, but instead they're trying to trade on demo and trying to prove me something. I mean, like, are you serious? I can take every single trade on demo. Yeah, I don't take. Oh, yeah, I got it. I take not lots of trades, but when I take a trade, I really like consider this as a plus setup. These people think like they can make me sad. Unfortunately, I'm not that person. Unfortunately. Trying to find good projections right now. Cannot find nice one, honestly. Because people can hate me, and I don't care. Because if you want to prove me something, go online, trade in front of people, not on demo. Then I will talk with you. Otherwise, just please. You know, I wish I could make video about how to analyze gold, but since I only started trading gold, I cannot give you any advices because I'm new to this. But once again, this week I'm going to analyze this, and I will try to trade this like regularly on my accounts. Once again, if on Steam I take trade, I show you immediately, so nothing to hide. Nothing right now, nothing interesting right now. I'm about to finish, so just going to have some fun. I don't have lots of haters, so let me hate them as well, please. Okay, why I put this risk reward right here? Honestly, we got measuring gap right here. See this small fair value gap, and with respect to this OB, that's just interesting if we may continue going higher. So break above New York midnight open, deliver our 2 standard deviation of this impulse leg right here, and the test of daily open. So this is what I kind of like right now. We're trading gold tomorrow? Yeah, okay. I am going to wake up at 6 a.m., going to look at charts again. If I see solid setup, yes, I will just start early to execute together. Like 8:30 if I see a solid setup, okay? I will do my best. I did not master ICT Concept, just trust me. Yeah, I will be live. I mean, yeah, once again, every single trade that I take during AM session, I take in front of people. So I don't hide my executions or something like this. I just literally show this. Yeah, we will try. So far, 2 days in a row doesn't look bad. I guess I will try to trade not on all 20 accounts, but 5 accounts. So since we're trying, I'm not going to get any evaluations for this. We will try. So if I can see setup before like 8:30 a.m., I'm going to go live before, okay? Yeah, I see lots of people love gold, and I always was like, why people love it? Why people love it? But when I decided to try to just analyze this, it's in reality it's really amazing. Especially it's kind of hard to trade in Q right now. I guess we have best option to switch on not switch, but try to trade CL and gold. Oh yeah, you mean I need like create a separate folder for trades taken on gold? Oh yeah, that's a great idea, by the way. I'm going to save this picture as well. Guys, the reason of this short was explained. So once I finish this team, you will be able to see reason. I'm not going to like promise it's going to be setup that I can see, but if I see setup, I'm going to just start early. Okay? Yeah, we'll try to trade gold. I guess nothing wrong with this. It's always good to explore different markets, right? CL, for example, gold, ebook that I sent. Actually, I have 2 free perfect PDFs. One you can find if you go to description to my video. You will find like free PDF. It even calls like this. And last one I sent this 2 days ago about how to pass and grow your evaluation in funded accounts. If you subscribe to my newsletter, you should receive this. If you cannot find this, probably it's in spam folder. Once again, I will just start checking this. So far, so good. Yeah, maybe not perfect, but need to figure out proper size still, because I feel like 11 points is not a lot, but it's not bad. Just need to calculate risk management. I will prepare the table for this. We'll work on this. How to calculate size to trade gold, because I need this as well. Oh, it's good on gold. Okay, that's even better. So yeah, if you don't mind, we are going to try to trade gold as well. Because if you mind, like do mind, I'm going to just take trades alone. Yes, right here. Yeah, see, I kind of started like, oh, you cannot see this. Give me 1 second. You cannot see this as well. Okay, give me 1 second. Right here, see, I have like tabs right here. I'm looking at these tabs, jumping between them. Oh yeah, I mean, like, people enjoy trading gold. I see lots of people trading gold, and I was like, amazing. So I need to try as well. My husband always suggested, like, try to trade gold. Why are you stuck at this in Q chart? You have different instruments. Just try to trade different instruments, like different markets. What's wrong with CL? What's wrong with gold? What's wrong with silver? Like, I was like, I don't know. Like, I used to trade in Q, and sometimes, yes, I need to just trade different markets. It's like forex, but it's like futures. So this 6E, so this futures, I can execute this on my Apex accounts, which is nice. And Ninja has this as well. Also, I figure out, how can I show you this? Oh, like this. If you go to instruments right here, you will find, like, if you want to trade micros, you can trade micros, for example, on gold MJC, or if you want to trade this EUR future, you have option to trade micro as well right here. See this? How it looks on 1 minute chart? It doesn't really look perfect on 1 minute chart, but on high time frames starts from 5 minute chart. It doesn't look bad. Yeah, live every day. Unfortunately, I cannot hold my overnight trades if, for example, I executed, let's say, at 12 p.m. yesterday. I cannot hold this trade. I can only close at 4 and reopen at 6. I mean, nothing wrong with this, but still. Annoying. And gold. Happy I have option to trade this. We'll see how it goes. Because once again, it's hard for me recently to analyze NQ. Just need to do something new, you know? Forex futures lately. Yeah. Forex futures pretty good, most pretty good in London. Yeah, that's obviously and logically. But for me, it's hard because I prefer to sleep at this time. Will we hit 50%? Probably yes, nothing holds. It's 50% of this hourly week. Good liquidity level. Yeah, I like it. Okay, guys. Yeah. It's like, when I remember when I switched to trading from ES to NQ, I was like, what is going on? Why it's so fast? It was hard to switch from ES to NQ. First is like continuation, right? The AM session. Yeah. I guess London just starts the move, you know, first stage of accumulation, first stage of distribution, and something like this. I cannot give you any advices because I cannot do this. Last 2 weeks, and based on my back tests, I saw like gold setups forms, like perfect setups forms after 8:30 a.m. So nothing wrong with this. Then I can sleep. Yeah, it's nice. So we can be like free or try to trade PM session on NQ, for example. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So we will try. Let's see how it goes. Kill zones, okay. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, lots of people trade gold. That's why I was like interested in this. So we will try. Okay, guys, I can not trade staking in the AM session. Honestly, happy with this on NQ. So it was not going to lie, it was kind of hard to trade this. Yeah, most of the time London is going to offer manipulation. It's like classic sell day or buy day. And I noticed, yeah, maybe not perfect delivery, but this is what I can see on gold recently. Yeah, I decided to switch to trade in December, I traded 10-15 micros and I felt like so good. This month, I've switched trading 3-5 micros, 2-3-5 micros. Yeah, maybe it's less like amount of dollars I can make, but this is what I can do for my accounts. Not naturally to risk like $800 per trade with this volatility. Why? Always happy to see new people. So yeah, of course. Well, I hope tomorrow is going to be better. I hope for me. And Q. And Q is doing nothing. Stuck on this consolidation. Time distortion probably. Probably time distortion. So not I cannot see a lot right now. It's just tricky. Moving from discount to premium, from premium to discount. Nothing worse right here to trade and risk something. Honestly, I don't want to even try to trade with one micro right here. So just what I'm going to do, disconnect. Disconnected accounts. Perfect. Maybe lunch will be better. Maybe PM. I hope PM is going to be better since it was like consolidation right now. Would you follow? Who is this? I don't know who is this. Hard. I would say last 3 weeks extremely hard for me. But we are not going to give up. As you can see, we started exploring different markets, try to find out how gold works. I mean, CL. Not going to give up since I cannot read the NQ right now. Nothing wrong with this. Still happy to trade. Still happy to read price action, even if it's like extremely hard. It is what it is. Okay, guys. Tomorrow is Friday. I will think if we may do some giveaway tomorrow. We will see. So, if no more questions, or if you have important question, you can send me direct message on Twitter or Instagram or whatever, where you can find me on Discord, for example. Oh, okay. I didn't know. Thank you. Yeah, sometimes I feel like, I guess everyone can feel this. I'm going to be live tomorrow. I feel like I cannot trade because I cannot read the market, but then I'm like, Dasha, it's like, just take your time. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's not hard. It's not always will be easy, right? So just give time. Like, don't worry about this. Because when I cannot find setup or like, I don't care about my losses. But when I cannot find setup, I feel like I just cannot read this market. Maybe trading is not for me. But then I'm like, no, Dasha, you're good. Just take your time. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow. It wasn't bad today. What is PD ray? Or what? Which PD ray? Yeah. Just if I cannot feel this market, for example, this month, doesn't mean like I'm worst trader in this world. It's okay. Proper risk management will save me. Yeah, premium discount rate. Even if I take losses, I will. As you can see, I reduce my size, and I'm fine with my losses, so it's acceptable for me. So far, yeah, just choppy. Yeah, I mean, not going to give up. I know, like, I just take my time and I will kill it. So guys, I love you. I will see you tomorrow. I'm from Belarus. I'm not Russian. I'm from Ukraine. I'm from Belarus, but speak Russian with my family, with my kids. Don't ask me political questions. I'm not going to answer them. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow. If any important questions, you know where to find me, okay? Here's links right here. Where's my mouse? Here's links right here, right here. You will find me. Yeah, guys, bye.